So today we're talking about battery banks. This one is a USB battery bank, but it's got a trick up its sleeve as well. With the help of these little accessories, it can jump start your car. So not only has it got USB fast charging in there, you've got a light on there as well, little power indicator on the front, little light on there as well. Two USB ports, like I say, one fast charge and one standard charge. Charging device is quite easily, just a USB-C on there, so it's fast charging to charge this up. I haven't yet depleted this. I bought it, I put it on charge. It came with two indicator charge levels, so say half. It took around about 2 hours to fully charge it. Since then, I've actually jump started my car, a neighbour's car, and I've charged my iPad, my phone, wife's Kindle, a fair few other things on there. I've had it around about a month now, and it's still, as you can see, fully charged. Its capacity is 700 amps to start a car, with a maximum of 1500 amps as a surge as it comes to start the vehicle. So that's really good. And it's 15,600 milliamp per hour battery bank capacity, means you probably kind of charge a phone for a month and it'd still never deplete the battery in there, which is just fantastic. Fairly reasonably priced considering what it can do as well. I think it's really good, so that's why I decided to give it a review. I bought it thinking that, you know, it'd be good to carry around. I've obviously got USB battery banks coming out of my backpacks all the time, and I think I'm going to replace them all with this. I think this is the only one I need now. Comes in a great little case with, like I say, this little accessory as well, which allows you to jump start your car, connect it up to your battery, jump start your car, no problem whatsoever. I tried it on my 2 litre diesel so far, that worked fine. One of the neighbours, 1.8 petrol Mazda, that worked fine as well. Basically just kind of, you know, gives it enough boost that the engine starts up, off you go, no problem whatsoever. So yeah, the mAh USB battery bank stroke car starter booster jump pack. Yeah, get one now. Links are in the description down below. Thanks for watching, take care, see you on the next video, bye.